Hello po sa inyong lahat. Isang mapagpalang Lunes, ika-24 ng Mayo 2021. And welcome po sa edisyon na ito ng The Stock Market Today. Ito po ang iyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. At ginagawa ko po itong report araw-araw, which I started of August last year. And I also report the latest news on your favorite stocks. And if you like the content, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe sa aking channel. At kung meron po kayong stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. I'll be sharing with you today the news on Jollibee at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, May 24, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the Business Mirror, Jollibee opens West End store. Fast food giant Jollibee Foods Corporation said it opened its flagship store in West End in the United Kingdom, which sold more than 4,000 pieces of fried chicken on the first day alone. The company said some of the customers lined up for 7 hours before its doors opened, and that its opening day sales exceeded first day sales of its Leeds, Leicester City, and Liverpool branches. Ambassador of the Philippines to the UK, Antonio M. Lagdameo, attended the opening, cutting the ribbon alongside business head of Jollibee Europe, Adam Parkinson. It is heartwarming to see the long lines of customers at Jollibee's London West End opening, Ernesto Tanmantiong, CEO of Jollibee Group, said. We are excited to welcome our British customers, along with our Filipino guests, to our latest restaurant where they can enjoy our unique and popular food offerings. We also look forward to continuously expanding our brand footprint in the UK's £1.2 billion fried chicken market as we open more stores in the country and the rest of Europe. Jollibee's lunch queues are notorious around the world, as its lines, consisting mostly of customers from the Filipino community, would start early, even days before, through extreme weather. The company said it would open 6 more Jollibee fast food stores in the UK before the end of the year. So that's our news for the day, and later we'll take a look at the Jollibee stock and how it is doing. In the meantime, the PSEI index today declined 34.36 points or 0.55%. Napaka-bearish na po nito because the next support level of our Philippine stock index is nandito na po. Nasa 6,000 level po. Yung next support level ni PSEI 60 or 6,000 to 6,025 po yung nakikita pong support level, and it is nearing, actually this level was the level noong October 21, 2020, yung 61.64 po. So it's quite some time, no? So tumaas po siya tapos bumaba. Yung formation po ng ating moving averages, lahat po ay nasa itaas ng candlesticks. So yung pattern po niyan is nearest the candlestick is the 20, next is the 50 and the 100, meaning bearish ang kanyang sentiment. In the meantime, the RSI is also bearish at 32.66 at malapit na pong mag-oversell or mag-oversold ang RSI natin, which occurred last March 22 nung nag-lockdown. In fact, it is lower than the lockdown level, yung presyo niya ngayon. Pero the last time the RSI reached a very an oversold level was March 22, 2021. And then let's take a look at what happened. The market summary, 127 companies declined, 79 advanced, while 40 remained unchanged. The all-share index also declined by 0.56%, while the sectoral indices all declined, all in the red, led by properties at 1.68%. So let's now take a look at the top active stocks. We'll review the top 10. That's BDO, MEG, PureGold, JFC, Dito, TEL, AC, Ali, MBT, and Converge. Now, if you have stocks in mind that you wanted reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. So let's now take a look at BDO. BDO, nasa ano na siya? Support level, and this is the time to buy. Actually, Friday, profit-taking day, pero tumuloy-tuloy pa rin siya. So, nasa 100 po ang support level, 100 to 101, support na po ito. And based on historical data, magbabounce po siya dito at 100. Otherwise, yung next support level niya ay nandito po. Pero malamang po mag-bounce eh. Nasa 97 po yung next support level niya. Pero sa pakiwari ko po ay magbabounce po yan. The next is MEG. Okay, MEG. Naku, bearish siya. Tingnan yung EMA 20. Oh. Talagang bearish na bearish yung dating niya with almost a straight line. And yung RSI niya dito noong May 14 is already oversold. It somehow managed to bounce back in the next 4 or 5 days, but bearish na naman po itong Monday na ito. Yun po, that is for MEG. In fact, the nearest support after that would be here at 2.50. 2.40 to 2.50 po yung next support level ni Mega World. And then PureGold. Actually, PureGold, consolidating lang. It's consolidating at 35 and it has been consolidating for the past 4 or 5 days. RSI is bearish at 46. In general, kung titingnan po natin yung long-term trend, pababa po siya. Yung black line po, nakikita niyo po yung black line and the blue line. Ang general direction niya is pababa. Pero yung orange line, which is our short-term indicator, it appears to be, the stock appears to be consolidating. Then JFC, ito yung merong new branch sa West End, London. Wow, it continues to move upwards and the closing price is higher than our moving averages, that's 179.70. And in fact, the RSI moved up to 58. It is a bullish number with resistance. Ilagay natin dito sa 188 ang resistance level po natin for Jollibee, the nearest resistance po. Then after JFC, Dito. Okay, Dito continues to move down, losing 52 centavos. RSI is bearish at 40. So bearish po ang indication natin kay Dito with support nandito po sa 7.80 to 7.90. And then TEL. TEL, what's happening to TEL? Actually, it's not, well, it has been moving sideways for the past several days. Up and down lang po siya. Pagkatapos ng green candlestick, followed by a red, green, red po. Ganun po yung pattern niya. And 12.59 is a cheap price already, considering that it has been, kung titignan nyo yung potential ng stock, it went as high as 1,400. Actually, yung tunay na presyo ng stock based on fundamental analysis, 1,600 po. Kaya napakalaki po ng potential nitong PLDT, no? So, ang resistance po natin, ilagay po natin dito Ilagay po natin sa EMA 100. Yun po yung resistance ni TEL. Okay, so after TEL, let's go to Ayala Corporation. Okay, Ayala Corporation, naku, bearish talaga si Ayala Corporation. So, titignan nyo yung indications natin. Talagang napaka-bearish po nung stock. At nearest support is nasa 690 po. 690 to 700 po. Actually, nearing, well, it is already within the area of support. And bearish po siya in spite of the earnings po, no? Earnings ni Ayala. It's down 33%, but Ayala naman is an index stock and a very good company with a bearish sentiment right now. Then let's take a look at Ali. Okay, Ali, after a downtrend, looks like it has been consolidating in this area. Bearish ang sentiment in the sense that all our indicators are moving downwards and it is above the candlestick with resistance or support rather. Nasa 31.15. 31.10 to 31.20 po yung support level of Ali. And then MBT, Metro Bank, one of the larger banks in the index, and it gained 40 centavos and it appears to be moving sideways with support at 43.70 and resistance pinakamalapit po ay nandito sa 46.60. And then finally we have Converge. Okay, Converge appears to be consolidating after a high of nung Friday. Magkaroon siya ng isang high dito. But upwards pa rin yung kanyang movement. Let's take a look in ating indicators. Yan. Nag-oversold siya noong Friday. But it is now at 61 and appears to be consolidating, gaining or losing 50 centavos today at 19.90. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market ngayong araw, May 24, 2021, Monday. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro, reminding you, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Kung wala pa po kayong bakuna, magpa-register na po kayo. Kung meron po kayong comorbidity or senior citizen po kayo, mag-register po kayo sa LGU sapagkat yung bakuna na yan ang magpapanumbalik sa atin sa ating normal na gawain. Yan po. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli. God bless and bye for now.